Thanks for joining this course on building the complete business and startup website with almost no code. We're going to dive straight in just a minute, but I wanted to outline what we'll be covering and why. Building a professional looking website and adding all the features needed to get to the point where you're selling your product can seem like a daunting task, and I think this puts off a lot of people trying out their ideas for fear of having to spend a fortune on a web developer and then shelling out every time you want to update your website. This course is going to guide you through in a clear and concise way so that you can take control of your website, and we'll cover everything you need to know to start out. First, we're going to cover choosing and buying your first domain name and the hosting to go with it that will allow us to put our site live. Then we get down into putting our website together. This should be much easier than you imagine, so don't worry if you're put off by the thought of writing code, as honestly you don't have to, as long as you can do copy and paste. However, if you're up for a challenge, we cover some basic HTML to allow you to really customize your site to make it perfect. Then, it's the big moment. We upload our website for the first time. Once we're live, we then cover adding Google Analytics so you can track exactly who's been visiting your site, so you can hopefully learn how to increase your page views. After this, we'll go on to adding a mailing list, a key weapon in any business arsenal for driving purchases from repeat customers or increasing your reputation in your niche community. Finally, we add e-commerce to your site, using PayPal to allow customers to buy directly from you online. I highly encourage you to make use of the Udemy discussion forums if you have any questions. I'll make sure to reply as swiftly as possible, and I'm sure your fellow students will do the same. If you want to contact me directly, you can get me via @OhioDev on Twitter or team@ohio.com on email. Please don't hesitate to reach out, as I'm really keen for this to be an interactive course. If you have any ideas or requests for new material, then please let me know, as I plan to expand the course over the coming months based on these requests. It's now time to start. I'm really looking forward to seeing the websites that you produce.